Hello everyone! Nandito ulit ako. So, ngayon na nasa Amazing Hope Convention kami. And together with me is Pastor Jasper and Pastora Hani from Amazing Hope Cebu Campus. And today, pag-uusapan natin paano ba mabalance yung ministry, yung business, and yung future family planning nila as a couple. Now, with wala pang kids like me and my husband, Pastor Paul. Introduce yourself po. Yeah.
Alright, so welcome. Thank you po for having us here sa content nyo. And I'm Pastor Jasper from Cebu, Amazing Hope Cebu Campus.
And I'm the beautiful wife. I'm Pastora Hani, my sister from Cebu Campus.
So how did you both get started in the ministry and the business?
I started in the ministry po last year, 2018. I was called by God. Yung sa business po, nag-start po talaga si business. Yung sa akin naman po si Just Friends, yung sa breeding po ng mga imported dogs. Yung mga breed na dogs po pala. So it started last 2019 po kami nag-start po kami ng Golden Retriever. And then after po namin na Golden Retriever, after po nung na-dispose po namin sila, we bought Siberian Husky back-to-back Woolly. Hanggang sa na-breed na naman po, bumili ng Alaskan Malamute. Hanggang na-add po sila in total of 10 breeding dogs. Ayan.
Yung business po namin, pagdating naman sa travel and tours, it started with a friend of mine na iniwanan niya sa akin yung van niya. Saka doon po nag-start. And then, after how many years, the Lord has given us our own van, this business, and syempre, para sa ministry.
Paano niyo po nababalance yung mga responsibilities sa business owner and handling the ministry while keeping your relationship strong?
First is, pagdating sa business, relationship, and syempre sa ministry, doon po tayo tinawag, Panginoon. Always know your priority. Pagdating sa tatlo, huwag iiwan si Lord. Sa ministry, sa business, sa relationship, dapat si Lord lagi yung nasa top. Or else, pag nilagay natin si Lord sa second or sa anong pwesto, pag hindi siya yung first, everything else will fall.
Doon naman po sa tanong niyo po about sa ministry, sa business, at saka sa relationship namin ni Pastor. Nagiging functional po talaga kami doon sa tatlong category na yon, tatlong area ng life na yon, yung sa intimacy po talaga kay Lord. Doon po talaga kasi yung kalakasan, kinukuhanan ng lakas para maging functional po pagdating po sa pag-handle ng business, ng ministry, at saka yung relationship. Hindi naman po siya naging ganun ka-struggling talaga, no, to the extent na talagang madedepress ka. Kasi po pag si Lord talaga yung naging center ng business, ng relationship mo towards your husband, at saka sa ministry, talagang sabi nga ni Pastor, nagiging fall into order talaga siya. So yun po, talagang si Lord po ang number one. Lord is the key.
Yes, Lord is the key, number one priority. And as a double income, no kids couple na nagpa-plan to start a family in the future like us, gusto namin matuto sa inyo, what are some steps you're taking to ensure financial stability and readiness for this next season?
Regarding naman po sa pagka-plan ng kids, no, talagang pinag-pray at pinagpaplanuhan. Blessing po yung kids. Pero sa ngayon po, favor din po ni Lord na wala pang kids. Kasi may perfect time naman po si Lord. Kasi mas marami ka pong nagagawa.
Yes, I agree.
Without any pressure po. Iba po kasi talaga pag andun yung faith mo kay Lord na ibibigay niya. So sa ngayon po, while yung earnings po namin is talagang pang-us pa, but with the future baby. Importante po yung emergency fund. Nasi-save mo yung mga dapat i-save, yung pag-manage ng pera, and above all yung pagbibigay talaga kay Lord. Yun po talaga yung pinaka-importante sa lahat. Yung tithes natin, first fruit natin, yung pagpa-prioritize una kay Lord kasi siya naman din yung nagbibigay ng wisdom. Paano mo iaayos yung kaperahan.
Enjoy, and we're just doing our best kung ano yung season na meron kami. Wala pa po kaming anak, but we are enjoying the season in building
Nakarelate ako.
the ministry that God has entrusted to us, building our business kasi nag-establish pa po kami sa ministry, syempre sa marriage. Diba? Hindi naman after ilang years established na agad sa business yun. And also, ito yung season na parang pinapaipon kami ng Lord. Though He will provide naman pag binigay niya yung baby, ito naman yung provision kasi yun yung will. Kung ano yung season na meron kami ngayon at meron kayo ngayon, galingan nyo.
Alright, so thank you so much, Pastor Hani and Pastor Jasper, for sharing your insights and experiences with us. And meron po ba kayong gustong mga i-advertise yung Facebook pages ninyo?
Please visit and like and share our page, Cebu Tour Services. So kung may mga nakakapanood ngayon na you're planning to visit Cebu and tour, just contact us and we will do our very best to serve you.
Wow! Pastor Hani.
If you're looking for quality dogs, puppies, meron po kami Golden Retriever, Siberian Husky, at nagpapasta din po kami ng quality na male po na Siberian Husky. You can visit Just Friends and please like and share our page. Thank you po.
Thank you so much and bye-bye! Thank you.